Morning, children. I hope everyone are fine in your home. Okay. Given the homework, right? So I hope everyone done your homework. Okay. If you have any doubts, please call me and clarify your doubts. Okay. Don't be quiet. If you be like that only, then I don't come to know how the things are going in that video, right? So if you say something, then only I can understand that that thing is not understanding here, or the things, all the things are understanding. Okay, so please give a feedback. Okay, if you are understanding, then be quiet. If you are not understanding, then please call and clear your doubts. Okay, so we'll do now that one is a okay. So in the last class, we studied the representation of representation of the real numbers on the number line. We studied that and even completed the 1.4 also. Before going the operations on a real numbers, okay, before going operation on a real numbers, I just tell that how to find the values of a root 2 and root 3, all the irrational numbers. Okay, how to find a root 2 and a root 3 values in the decimal expansion. How do we find that values? I'll tell here. That is a long division method is there. So if you are perfect with the square numbers, perfect square numbers, then only it is possible, otherwise it's not a possible. Okay, so please be thorough with the perfect square numbers. Perfect square numbers are nothing but a what values? That is a 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 7 6 6 are 36, and 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64, 9 9 are 81, like that. Okay, so these are called as the perfect square values. So please be thorough with the perfect square values, otherwise it's very difficult to find the root values. That is nothing but the irrational numbers. Okay, so we'll solve the first root 2 value. Okay, how to find root 2 in a decimal expansion. Okay, so in decimal expansion, how to find the root 2 value. Okay, first take here. This is a long division method is there. Before that, I am going to write here only take a root. Okay, forget about the square root because we are finding that only. So forget about this root square root symbol. Okay, so just take the whatever the number is there, you have to take that number. Okay, so here 2 is there. 2 is equal to 2.00000. I can take like this. Whether I can take like this, 2 is equal to 2.0000. We can take, okay, because here also if there is a no point is there means after that point all numbers are 0, it means. That's why we are not going to write that 0.000 numbers. So just we are writing, instead of writing this one, so we are writing only 2 here. That is the thing. Okay, but we can take from any number. Okay, take a 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, any number you can take. After that number we can put a point and take a how many zeros you want, you can take that much zeros here. It will doesn't matter here. Okay, so this is equal to this one only. Take any number. For any number we can write like this. So 2 is equal to 2.00000. You can take so many zeros, infinite number of zeros here, not only 6 zeros. Okay, take any number of zeros. So just to the, for the division it will be help for us that zeros. That's why I am taking that zeros here. Okay, it doesn't mean anything here. That is a, I'll write here 2.00000. Okay, so we are doing the division for 2 now, and you have to take here perfect square value. That is here 1 ones are 1, 2 square is equal to 4. I'll write here 3 square is equal to 9, and 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, and 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, and 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, and 10 square is equal to 100. So these are called as the what here? These are all called as the perfect square numbers. Okay, these are called as the perfect square numbers. Okay, so here we are doing the finding the value of the root 2 in a decimal expansion. Okay, in a normal division we'll take any value which is smaller than this one, we'll take that one and we'll divide all the values. Okay, but here it is a different type of a division is there, so please listen here, be carefully. Okay, if you listen carefully then only it will understand, otherwise it will not understand anything. Okay, so here 2 is there, right? Here 2 is there, so we have to take a perfect square value only first. Don't take other values, only we'll take this values, perfect square values. Which number having a perfect square value, that number you have to take here. That is 1 square is equal to 1 by, and next 2 square is equal to 4 only. So 3 square is equal to 9 here. That must be a smaller than 2. That must be a smaller than 2 means which is a smaller than 2 here? Only 1 is a smaller than 2, right? We have to take the value which is a smaller than 2, that too having a perfect square value. So that is here 1 square is equal to 1 only. So we can take here that is a 1. Okay, so here take a 1 number and here 1 ones are 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. Next 2 zeros are there, right? Take the 2 zeros and here one point is there, so I am putting a point here. After one number point is there, so I am putting here one point. Okay, that is a, and I am taking a 2 zeros here. Next, whatever the values is there, no, you have to double this value. That is 1 plus 1 here, 2. Getting here, so write here 2, then it will be easy. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And now do the division. How means, see here, 21 ones are, 22 twos are, 23 threes are. Last in a ones place value, whatever the value is there, that value will be a quotient also, and that will be a here also. Okay, so you have to take only 21 ones are, 22 twos are, 23 threes are, 24 fours are, 25 fives are, 26 sixes are, 27 sevens are, 28 eights are, 29 into nines are. Okay, so don't take here 21 twos are, 21 threes are. Okay, we can't take like that. Only in one place 1 is there, then here also 1. In one place 2 is there, then here also 2. In one's place 3 is there, then here also 3. In one's place 4 is there, here also 4. And here 5 is there, here also 5. And 6 is there, and here also 6. And here 7 is there, then here also 7. And here 8 is there, here also 8. In one's place 9 is there, into 9. Okay, we can't alter the things here. Okay, we can't take the 9 8, 9 7, 9 6 or a 5 6. Okay, 4 3. We can't take like that. Whatever the number is there in a ones place value, that number only you have to multiply here. Okay, that type of we have to do the division here. So that's why I told in the before only, it's a different type of a division is there. Okay, so don't feel as it's a difficult. It will be a difficult in a beginning, but after if you practiced twice or thrice, then it will be easy. Okay, don't fear for this problem. Okay, it will come for you people also. Okay, it is not that much difficult problem. Okay, it's a easy only. Feel it as a easy, then it will be a easy. Okay, if you are thinking how this is a so many processes are there and what we have to take here and which number we have to take, like that you are going on thinking, then it will be a difficult and you never do this problem in your life. Okay, so please be concentrate here. I know everyone it will feel difficulty, of course it will feel difficulty for you, I know that, but still don't think like that. Be positive, you have to think positive only, so it is a possible, everything is possible, no, right? So even the word saying itself impossible saying I am possible. So it is also possible, but it will take a time. Okay, it will take a 2 or a 3 days time to understand this problem. So please, I'll just do one problem, okay, in a daily. In next class I'll do one more thing, and in another next class we'll do one more. Okay, so here today we'll learn only one problem, then only it will understand. Okay, so only one problem I'll say, and you have to practice this problem 10 times or 15 times, then only it will come. Getting everyone? So today we'll learn only root 2. In next class we'll learn the root 3. Otherwise, if I told the root 3 in this class, then you will get a confusion in a root 2 and root 3. Okay, so that's why I'm not saying that root 3 in this class, only I'm saying a root 2 in this class. Okay, so in the next class I'll say root 3 also. So after that you come to know how to do the divisions here. Okay, whatever the perfect square root value is not there, that is a irrational number is there, we can find root 7, root 11, okay, root 10, we can find all the values. Okay, because if you go for higher studies, then it will be some problem is there, we have to add the irrational number. Okay, that too in a decimal expansion, they will give options as in a decimal expansion. Okay, so if you know the how to do this decimal expansion, then only we can do that one, and after that we can put the right answer, right? Otherwise, how to do this one? Okay, we don't know the root 11 value, only sum of root 2, root 3, root 5 we can know. Starting maybe a 3 or 2, we know that irrational numbers in a decimal expansion, that is a standard value, so we know that sum of those, but all we don't know that values. So if we know the method, then we can do the problem. Okay, so this is a finding a root 2 here, so please be concentrate here. Okay, I'm telling slowly only. See here, 2.000 I am taking here, and you have to take the perfect square number. Okay, if there is a, here assume here is a 3, or sorry, not 3, here is a 5 is there, assume here is a 5, then which value you have to take here? That is a 2 square, means 2 2s are 4 you have to take here. Don't take the other values, we can't have any option. Here 5 is there, means we have to take a 5, 5 ones are 5, it's not a correct. Okay, only you have to take the perfect square numbers, means 2 square is a 4, so we can take a 4 for the 5 number. So write here 2 and here 2, 2 2 is the 4. Next 5 minus 4, 1, like that we have to do. Getting everyone? So here 2 is there, means the smaller number than the 2 is always here, only 1 is there. We can't take another values here, because that all values are the greater than the 2 here. So I am taking the 1 value. Okay, so that is a 1 into 1 is 1 here, 2 minus 1 is 1. Next here 2 zeros are there, I am taking a 2 zeros here. Taking 2 zeros you have to take here. Okay, 2 zeros. Next here point is there, so that's why I am putting here a point. Getting? So now here we have to double the values. Okay, whatever the values in a ones place, that you have to add here. Okay, so that is 1 plus 1, because in here only ones place value is there, no value is in a tens place, that doesn't matter here. So whatever the value is in a ones place, only that you have to add here, that is a 1. And again whatever the ones place value, that is a 1 only. So we are adding a 1 here, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 here. And I told how to do the division and how to take the numbers here. Only we can take here 2 is there, right? So we can't take a 22 3s are, 24 5s are, like that we can't take. Okay, only we can take 21 1s are, 22 2s are, 23 3s are, 24 4s are, 25 5s are, like that. So whatever the value in the ones place, only that value we can multiply here. Other values can't multiply here. Okay, only here 1 is there ones place, so that's why I am multiplying with the 1 value. Next, in ones place 2 is there, so we can multiply that value with the 2 only. Okay, we can't multiply with the 3, 4 like that. Okay, whatever the number is in a ones place, that number we have to multiply with the that number only. We can't multiply the other numbers. 3 is there in ones place, then we have to multiply with the 3 only. We can't multiply the other values. And 4 is there, we can multiply 4 only. 5 is there and 5. 6 is there, 6 like that. Okay. So here 100 is there. Which number we are getting here? Nearer values. For that 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 44. Here 69 and here 96 and here 125, right? So we are getting like this, but here 96 is a nearer to the 100 value. So take here 24 4 the 96. Okay. So do the subtraction, that is 10 minus 6 is 4 and 10 minus 10 is 0 here, here also 0. Next further 2 zeros you have to take here. Okay. So here whatever the ones place value is there, we have to add that value. Okay. Here see here we did we are adding also ones place value only. Here in a ones place value 1 is there, so that's why I am adding a 1. It is not a double of that value. Please remember that. If you thought that this is a double of this, then we will do here also double the value. It is not a correct method. Whatever the value is in a ones place that you are going to add here. So here in a ones place only 1 is there. So I am adding a 1 here. So here which number is there? 4 is there, right? So here we are having a 4 number in a ones place. So that's why I'll add here a 4 value. That is here 28. So here 28 will become. Now here 400 is there. So which value we have to take here? 280. 1 ones are, 282 twos are, 283 threes are. Like that you have to take. If you take here 1, then 281 ones are only we can take here. If you are taking a 2, then 282 twos are only we can take here. Other values we can't take here. Okay. So here 282s are how much it is? 2 twos are 4, 2 is 6. It will become more than the 400. So only possible thing is 281 ones are. So 281 ones are, that is a 281 only. Here do the subtraction, that is a 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So next after that take a zeros here. Okay. Take a 2 zeros, right? Okay, fine. So whatever the value is in a ones place, that is a 1. So add 1 here. That is 282. Okay. So here we are having a this much number and 282 we got here. Now we have to take the 282 ones are 2822 into 2. 2823 into 3. We can take like this. Okay. So here 1 1 and 2 2 and 3 3 and 4 4. Like that we have to take. We can't take the other values. Okay. So here which value is possible? Do the multiplication and come to know that. Okay. So it may be possible for the 4 to the 8, 4 to the 6, sorry 4 to the 8, 9 and 4 to the 32. 4 to the 8 plus 3 is 11. So that is the possible way. So here I am writing here 4 and here. That is 11,296. Again 4 here. 10 minus 10 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 0 0. I am taking another 2 zeros. And whatever the value is there in here, 4. In one's place only 4 is there. So I am adding here a 4 value. That is a 8 2 8. Okay. And again here some more values you have to take here and do the division, further division. Same like that we have to do, but after decimal point three numbers we got, that is enough. Okay, if you want to do the other things also further division, you can do the division. Okay, only decimal after decimal point, if three numbers we got, that is enough for any problem. Okay, so here what is the root 2 value? Therefore, I'll write therefore root 2 is equal to 1.414. Got everyone? So this is the way we have to do the decimal expansion of a root 2, root 3, root 5, that values. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this video. Okay. So please go, okay, go through the all the things here, and that is, and here only this much is there. Okay. These are the rough work here. These are rough work. And this also, okay, only this is the decimal expansion of a root 2. I hope everyone understood this one. Okay, so it's a easy only, so please practice this one for how many times you have to practice? For the 5 times or 10 times. Okay, so then only you can understand this problem, otherwise it's a very difficult. If you are not getting still, then please call me and clarify your doubts. Okay, so we'll say root 3 in the next class, and up to the, and we completed a representation of a real numbers on a number line, that. So after that we are having a operations on a real numbers. We'll continue that operation on a real numbers. Operation on a real numbers. In that I'll wrote some points, you have to write that. Okay, just note down that. Some or difference of a okay. So these are the some main important points. You have to be thorough with these things, otherwise you will not understand any problems. Okay. So if you are asking the sum, statements like this, you have to be thorough with this one, then you can able to answer for that. Okay, so here sum of the difference of a rational number and irrational number is always a irrational number. Okay, if you are adding two numbers, if there is a one rational number is there and another one is a irrational number is there, okay, you may be add those two and or a subtract those two. Okay, whatever sum or a difference of a one irrational number, another one rational number. Okay, so if you are taking a other one rational, in another one is here irrational. Okay, if you are adding or subtracting a one rational number and another one is a irrational number, then answer must be a irrational. Okay, so the answer must be a here irrational number. And after that, the product or a quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is always the irrational. Okay, so product or a quotient means multiplication or a division of any rational number to the irrational number, or is always a irrational number only. Okay, so next one is if we add or subtract or multiply or divide for the two irrational number, both are the irrational number and we are doing the mathematical operations on that. Okay, so then that result may be a rational or irrational, that rational and irrational. If both are the irrational, then only it will condition holds, that is a rational or irrational result. But here one rational and irrational is there, then answer will be always irrational only. Here also one rational is there, another one is irrational is there, so the answer is irrational only. When we are taking both are the irrational numbers, then answer may be a rational or a irrational. So these are the some points, main important points. So please be thorough with these things. Okay. So in further we are having some problems. Before that, I'll write some formulas. Okay. After we'll study that problems. Operation on the real numbers only. Here some formulas are there. I hope you studied in the 8th standard this one. If you are not remembering those values, then listen here. That is okay. Root of AB is equal to root A into root B. Okay. Next second one is root of A by B is equal to root A divided by root B. Next third one is what they given, that is a root A plus root B, root A plus root B into root A minus root B, that is equal to what here, A minus, and fourth one they given here A plus root B, A plus root B, A minus root B is equal to what, A square minus B. Okay, next fifth one, root A plus and root B into root C plus root D. Okay, so this is nothing but A plus B, C plus D, like that. So you have to multiply here. Root A into root C plus root A into root D. Next, root B into root C plus root B into root D. Like that you have to do the multiplication. Okay. So next one is means it is nothing but about here root AC plus root AB, next plus root BC plus root of B. Okay. Next thing is sixth one, that is the root A plus root B whole square. Root A plus root B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2ab. Okay. Here square is there, means square root cancel. So a plus b plus 2 into root of a. So this is the formula here. So these are the some formulas we have to remember. Okay. So these are called as the some identities. Okay. So please remember this one and write it 2 times this one and root 2 5 times. That is a homework for you. We'll meet in the next class and further we'll tell in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.